morning. We're at Joe's Garage in Stillwater, New York, just off Saratoga Lake. And what I'm presenting here is one of the cars out of my own personal collection. Tuxedo black. And if you take a look at the front plate, that's what a car born and came from California. It's an SS396, factory air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, power windows, bucket seats, tilt wheel. This is a rust-free California car. Cowl induction hood. It's had a spectacular restoration. All the body panels on the car are original. A gentleman that I know very well purchased the car from the original owner. The gentleman that owned it in California was a painter. And actually, if you look inside this box, you probably never see one that looks like this, other than maybe someone that's maybe changed the floors. This is an original box. When he bought the car, it had rugs, and on top of this, the guy was a painter. So he kept it all tucked together, and when the car came back from California, a good friend restored the car for himself personally. And I bought this from him because it was sitting alongside a one owner, a 1970 LS6 Chevrolet coupe, original born with motor and driveline. So when I bought that from him, this car was sitting there, and he said, at the point right now, I'm not ready to sell the Chevrolet. He said, but you could buy the ElCamino. And I purchased the ElCamino. It's been in my climate-controlled garage. It's just absolutely a piece of jewelry. Comparing this to a 70 Chevelle SS396 LS5, this car is a bargain and a half for what the car is being offered at. This is, if it was a Chevelle, seems like crazy, but this car would be a $175,000 car. And the quality that it is, California car, born with motor, warranty book, protective plate, original bill of sale. This is an amazing car. Tinted glass. It's just a beautiful, nicest 70 ElCamino that I believe that could be purchased. It's got a factory gauge package with the tacking gauges. The interior's been, all the upholstery inside, it's got brand new carpets, brand new seat covers. And the whole inside looks like the day it was new. And if you look at the door jambs, and take a look and see, these are the original weld marks when the quarters were put on the car. You never see them like that. They're usually filled in Bondo because they're not in the greatest shape. And the bottoms of the doors, if you look at, they look like new. This is the original sheet metal that was on the car the day it left the factory. Quite a great opportunity to purchase this car. It's on our website at VERRILLOmotorcar.com. You can see many more photos, and you can see the underneath of the car, which you're not going to see in this video. Here's the engine compartment. Got factory air conditioning, 396, 350 horse, born with engine. Air blows ice cold, and it's available. VERRILLOmotorcar.com, and you can see 75 to 100 photos, and you can see the whole underneath of the car. It's view. All the original floor pans look like the day it was built from new, and that's the way they were.